So we did a 4-year project where we were transitioning the farm from kind of conventional set stocked grazing to adaptive multi-paddock grazing with our suckler herd, and we collected lots of metrics across the farm, across kind of economics, environment and ethics. And as part of that we used Soilmentor, so we used kind of a suite of the Soilmentor tests and tested those every year on the farm to kind of track that transition and what we saw. Yeah, so a few different ways really. So firstly, we did quite a lot of looked at quite a lot of sample points across the farm. So across 18 fields, we looked at 90 different sample points. So we really wanted to ensure that kind of within each field we got a representative number of sample points to account for the fact that there's kind of different habitats and animals might use kind of different parts of the field differently. Secondly, so actually the first year that we did the test, we had lots of different people doing them, but we realised that actually people kind of tend to score things slightly differently. So after that, we had one person that was going out every year and doing all of the Soilmentor tests. And then finally, we kind of made sure that we sampled at the same time point every year to try and account for seasonal differences. Yeah, so I'd say the GPS feature was really, really useful. So that ensured that we could come back to the exact same spot every year, and we were always sampling the exact same spot and seeing how things changed. So that was really great. And then the ability to just kind of store all of the data and everything in one place was really good. Means that we weren't kind of writing things on bits of paper and losing them. We stored lots of photos as well, which were really useful to kind of go back and look at photos at the beginning of the project compared to the end. So it meant we could do kind of a bit of a check on our scoring to see if we would still score in the same way. And then also the ability to kind of download all of the data into a useful Excel format as well. So that meant that we could kind of do some further analysis on it. So yeah, they're really, really helpful.